As we live on the coast, we wanted to create something that reflected our coastline and where we live. In recent years, we've had a disaster with nurdles being accidentally released into our waterways. This was a huge issue with hundreds of people volunteering to collect the tiny pieces of plastic off our beaches. We were inspired by the work of the artists featured in our workshop who created work using recycled materials. We set out to work on creating a sea life scene made entirely out of plastic. We spent weeks creating plastic yarn, or as we like to call it, plan, out of recycled soft plastic. Using the plastic, we then started crocheting and finger knitting. We even used some plastic that is used in agriculture called baling twine. We created a scene of sea jellies and an ocean entirely made from recycled plastic. The only thing left over was our crochet hooks, and who knows what we will create with them next.